this. I'm here. It's just beautiful. The best weather. Oh my God. Pandani and sunny. Feeling good. It's lovely and brisk. And yeah, feels good. It's going to be a nice day. Pretty amazing here. There's fagus leaves all over the floor, all over the ground. And we've got this most beautiful rainforest, waterfalls. Oh my goodness. It's just beautiful. Absolutely. Oh my God. I don't know how you describe it. It's beautiful and it's hot. But that's okay. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Those beautiful fagus. Oh my goodness. This timing is perfect. And of course don't forget the orange pole for the snow. It's just a glorious day. Glorious. Oh, check out this fagus. Oh. Here I am worrying about whether I'm going to see it or not. Look at this. Oh, it's just beautiful. Oh, it's just beautiful. If anything, you've got to be excited for this. Wow. Yeah. There's more and there's more. Look at this. Oh God. It's just beautiful. It's most beautiful. You've got to be excited. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. There's a view coming up. I'll show you. I think I'm in heaven. So this hut was by somebody Connell, C-O-N-E-L-L, 1939. So this is Crater Lake. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the fagus. I'm so happy. Unbelievably happy. Platypus over there somewhere too. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh shit. Hard to not keep stopping. Steep. That's okay. There's always a way. Crater Lake's on my right. Tell you what, it's a beautiful place. Hard not to stop and photograph it all the time. Look at this. Wow. Oh God. beautiful. Look at this beautiful crater lake. Oh, sorry I can't curb my enthusiasm. You just got to put up with it for the moment until I lose some of this joy, which I don't think is going to happen. Oh, I can see Marion's lookout up there, and most of the people, all the people, have passed me this morning, and that's okay. It's always okay. Okay. That's the climb up to Marion's lookout. So it's 10:50 at the worst. 2 hours. I think they say it's a 600 metre incline. Oops. Okay. I'm guessing I have to pack away these poles. Well, the chain part was actually easier than what I thought. I was pretty worried about it. It's Ronney Creek down there, and I think the Waldheim huts, maybe they're further around. There's a scout hut somewhere down there too. Not quite to Marion's, but 10 more minutes to go to Marion's lookout. Wow. Well, girl, this was the hard part. So still a bit more to go, but I'm feeling a lot more confident. Myself with some lunch up here. Just got to have your feet placement worked out. There we go. It's different when you've got 17 kilos hanging off your back. Much easier without that. So I'm past Marion's over the rise, and look, I've got Cradle Mountain, is it Little Horn, and Barn Bluff in the distance, and it's just beautiful. And water that's in the shade is still frozen. It crunches when you stand on it. It's so lovely. I had a nice lunch at Marion's. I had a salad roll for lunch at Marion's. I bought in Sheffield, and it was still yummy. So that's 2 days ago. And I had a backcountry berry smoothie, which you add water to, and it's just like having like a milkshake. Ah, isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. You can't actually take enough photographs. Ice. This is all ice. Oh my goodness. You're not expecting it to be ice. I nearly busted an ankle. So be careful when you step in puddles, because it's still ice. Oh, that was almost dangerous, but it was funny. Yeah. So people that fly. Big sheet of ice under there. Cradle Mountain and the track. I ain't going up there. If anything, it would be Mount Ossa, because I know I can do Mount Doris. I don't know about Ossa, but we'll see. And I'm looking forward to the labyrinth. So Ossa's the tallest mountain in Tasmania. Cradle Mountain. There's Kitchen Hut up ahead. But I probably won't stop at Kitchen Hut because I've already had my lunch. It's Barn Bluff over there, and not too far away from the Waterfall Valley, Waterfall Valley Hut. And look at that, Cradle Mountain there. It's a massive mountain range, massive. It's just canyons. This is so beautiful. It's alpine. It's just stunning. The tiny, tiny little plants that live here. The fagus. Look at that. I think there's caves over there. but I don't think you'd be allowed there. And we're gonna, oh, this is still icy. Oh my God. I'm crunching ice. Everybody special. Oh my goodness, what a view. Wow. So the facus there is almost lost its leaves. So there you go. Oh my God, what a special little spot. Wow. Way around, just come from there, and you still got Cradle, still going around Cradle. Oh wow. And then into the valley is Barn Bluff over there. That there must be like a cave. This must be like a cave too. And then back, and the clouds that I saw over there that looked like snow clouds, but they haven't arrived, so but there's a nice chill in the air. Plenty of water on the track. Basically, since coming off Marion's there, or Kitchen Hut, the whole track's been wet. It was running water the whole way. There's some beautiful water. Oh, so this is the start of Waterfall Valley. Come out of the forest there, and this is what opens up to you. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at this fagus, isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I hope you can see it. It's so pretty. Not very big. Maybe 10 mil long. A very technical part. Quite technical. Lots of boulders. And you're making sure your feet were in the right place. And watching out for the ice. Because everywhere that's in the shade, like that, is ice. So isn't that wonderful? I actually even thought about breaking some up, putting it in my water, cool my water down, but I've got some Cradle Mountain. I can see the emergency hut up ahead, that little spacey dome. So I don't think we're very far away from Waterfall Valley hut. There's still ice here. Now I've had one fall where I was unbalanced and I ended up in the bushes. I thought they'd actually a couple of areas that have been like you got to get on your hands and knees to climb up or down, so it's lots and lots of rocks. Lots and lots of rocks. It looks like these have all been placed here too. That's amazing. Just imagine the manoeuvring of all these rocks. Wow. Yeah, it is. It's a pathway. Goodness me. A lot of work. I have pretty good ankles, I think. Mine are feeling it, but only slightly. And I'm not surprised because, boy, have they been twisted and turned today. Had a funny little thing going in my muscle in my right leg, but it went away. And yeah, I'm still feeling pretty good. I couldn't imagine doing this covered in snow. I'm really, really grateful for this good weather. I don't know what they do. They just gotta take it slow, I guess. But even pouring rain would be hard. So, very lucky. According to the sign back there, it's another hour to Waterfall Valley hut. And I've got a big pile of people coming up behind me. So, I'll be letting them go. I've just passed the emergency hut, but I need to get to camp. Yes. Awesome.